Welcome to 1849 Koulter Drive. This charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath brick ranch style home with a 2-car garage, large lot, mature trees, and laminate hardwood and tile flooring inside. It's located in the established Riverside Park neighborhood in Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-26, just a quick commute to downtown Columbia, and easy access to other areas such as Lake Murray as well. So we're out front. As you can see, you have a nice long and wide 2-car wide driveway leading up to a 2-car garage. The garage itself does have some built-in storage, also has a workshop sort of located towards the back, which we'll take a look at from the outside, or at least you'll see where you'd access it. But you have a nice sized lot here with mature landscaping. You have a walkway leading up to the covered front porch, which runs along sort of the middle portion of the house here, which is a nice, really nice size. And once we go inside, you'll notice the laminate hardwood flooring here, sort of in the foyer of the home, continues throughout the formal living and dining room. There's also a similar type flooring in the family room as well. And then tile floors in the kitchen area and in the bathroom. So the formal living room off the foyer is a nice size. You can see a nice size opening to the dining room as well. And both of those look out towards the front of the house, of course. Then you go through into the kitchen. So again, you see those tile floors that we mentioned. Gray painted cabinets in here. There is a dishwasher, smooth top electric stove, and refrigerator here included. And you have an eat-in dining area in this room, looking out towards the backyard. And then you have a nice large laundry room / mudroom area that you come in off of the garage from. So you have lots of cabinet space in here, full-size washer and dryer connections. And then there's a separate access to the backyard, which we'll take a look at from the family room. But the patio goes up to that door. And then you have access to the garage here. So it's a 2-car garage. And then towards the back wall, you can see in that corner, if we adjust that light for you just a bit, there's a door to sort of a storage workshop utility area back there. And then, so go back through the kitchen. And then you have a family room here. Chair rail molding, and laminate floors in here as well. Nice brick fireplace. I believe what look like gas logs in there right now. I am not sure whether those are functioning. And then we'll step out back. So you have a nice oversized patio that runs along the middle of the back of the house here. Fenced backyard as well. And you do have some nice mature trees here. And actually, the fencing towards this side may be open, so there may not be a gate there, but the majority of the back of it is fenced. And then there is a shed, if you can see, sort of along the side of the fence over there. So a nice sized workshop and shed in the backyard as well. So we'll go back inside, take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. So you connect to the hall, same one that you came in off of the foyer, and then you're on down the hall. Carpeting starts here. So you have some closets, a linen closet and a coat closet off of the entry to this hall. Your master bedroom is on the left here, faces the back yard. Nice size room. You have a ceiling fan in here, 2 windows, and 2 closets on the wall opposite the bathroom as well. Those don't connect in the middle, so they are sort of 2 separate closets, but you don't have that middle space. And again, the tile floor, same as sort of in the kitchen, in the full bathroom. And you have a tile shower and tub in here as well. Single vanity, but a nice sized countertop, and then the pendant lighting. And then we'll continue left. So we have another bedroom in the center. This one and the 3rd bedroom face the front of the house. This one's actually a really nice size. And you have a closet against the wall there. And right next door, third bedroom, smaller than that one, but still is a decent size. The closet may actually be bigger. So that's sort of the trade-off. And then last but not least, at the end of the hall, you have a full bathroom, a single sink in there, larger countertop, again the tile flooring, and the shower and tub. So that completes our tour of this home, 1849 Koulter Drive. You can find out more information on this property by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.